Hello YouTube, it's me, SDG. I know I've been gone for a long time. Well, it feels like a longer time than it is a month, but still, regardless, hopefully I'll get back to weekly is the goal, uploads. But since we're nearing the corner to Halloween and I decided to get into the start of the season, start preparing for the season, we'll be taste testing one of my favorite candies, which I honestly love gummy bears. And so I went to a store and just bought a pack of gummy bears, Haribo gummy bears. And we'll be just taste testing just normal Haribo gummy bears. Okay, so as you guys can clearly see, there are 5 different flavors, I guess. And to my memory, this is strawberry. This is pineapple, this is lemon, and this is orange. And this is, I want to say cherry, because this is strawberry, I remember that. Or watermelon. Probably cherry. Okay, so, first of all, just as a general gummy bear test, I'm just going to be showing you guys pulling them apart. They're very stretchy for a couple of inches, very little resistance, and then they get very firm at this length, and they're very difficult to pull apart. Very sticky, as you guys can see. They're very sticky, particularly when you start pulling them apart. And yeah, you guys can see on camera how sticky these things are. Here, look. I mean, it's crazy. It's like playing with putty. Alright, so now that we've got that done, we're going to do our next gummy bear test, which is the resistance test. How well it handles height. So I'm just going to toss it from up here. And as you can see, no visible fractures, no damage to the skeletal system, none of that. So it looks like we got some pretty strong gummy bears right here. Next up, we're going to be reviewing the contents of their internal organs. Their heart, lungs, stomach, stuff like that. So I'm just going to take a dead one and just slice it right down the middle. And hopefully I can open this pretty cleanly. And you guys can see it's sticking pretty hard. Yeah, and as you guys can see, their internals are also very sticky. That's why it's more sticky where you rub your hand onto it. Just peel this apart. You guys can really see pretty easily their internals, the stomach, skeletal system, stuff like that. Gummy bears, they're relatively simple creatures, not much too complicated about them. But yeah, let me just check what time we're in. Alright, we're not making it bad time at all. So we got a couple more tests to go, and then we will get on to the final part, which is obviously the taste test. So yeah, we did the resistance. Now this is just pure damage. Just gonna try and flatten this out by just rubbing the handle of my scissors across, just trying to flatten it out. And as you guys can see, squishing it actually recovers pretty well, pretty fast. Handles direct impact very well. Obviously blades are a bit more difficult for it, but they don't do that poorly. There is a lot of bending that goes around the blade here, which is why I have to push them together. You guys can see when you just try and cut it normally, the blade just twists, so you gotta hold it. And together, if you hold the blades together, it's a far more clean cut. yeah, so it's not bad. Not bad at all. And yeah, again, inside is so sticky. So if you ever get your mitts on any of these things, don't put them on anything. Pretty much, like normally they're not bad. You see, this one's unopened. Not bad at all. All right, got 2 more tests before the taste test. This is gonna be a hardness test. As you guys can see, I have a hardness meter right here, all the way from 1 up to 10. So we'll start with 1. See if the gummy bear can. Yeah, so I'm just gonna drill right through it. So you guys can see, very little resistance went straight through, even on hardness level 1. So let me just pull this right off. And you know, the actual the head of the drill isn't bad at all. The bit isn't that messy, so it's a pretty clean tear. And second to last test, before we finally get on to the taste test, is going to be the balance test. We're going to see how flat the top of this thing actually is. So just going to lay it out. Just going to push down on it. Yeah, and as you guys can see, it's 100% exactly flat, which is very impressive. So very good design quality. And now the final part, we're going to be testing one. So let's start with lemon. So, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. I got braces. Oh, where's it? Oh, okay, it's over here. Let's take a peek. Problem foods when you have braces. All right. Well. No. They're my favorite candy. Right before Halloween, when you get the most candy. I'm about to break something. Subscribe for more quality content, I guess. Hey guys, this is SDG Videos. Please be sure to subscribe and like the video. Thanks.